Linum Lewisii, a charming and easy care wildflower for your garden. Hi there, Ferb Vu here. Today, we're diving into the world of Linum Lewisii, also known as Lewis flax, blue flax, or prairie flax. This captivating wildflower native to western North America has stolen the hearts of gardeners for its delicate beauty and resilience. If you're looking for a low-maintenance bloomer to add a touch of whimsy to your garden, Linum Lewisii might be your perfect match. Let's explore some frequently asked questions about this delightful plant. See more 215 species in genus Linum at monsteraholic.com. What is Linum Lewisii? Linum Lewisii is a perennial wildflower belonging to the Linum family. It boasts slender, blue-green leaves spiraling around thin stems, culminating in a stunning display of pale blue, saucer-shaped flowers with darker blue veins. Each blossom measures about an inch across, and the plant graciously produces multiple flowers along its stems, blooming sequentially from the bottom upwards. Linum Lewisii versus Linum perenne. I've grown both Linum Lewisii and Linum perenne, and I find that Linum Lewisii, with its delicate, sky-blue flowers, adds a refreshing touch to any garden. Linum perenne, on the other hand, offers a more robust display with its vibrant blue blooms and sturdier structure. In my experience, Linum Lewisii tends to be a bit more finicky with soil conditions, while Linum perenne seems to thrive more reliably in a variety of settings. I really appreciate Linum perenne's ability to self-seed and spread, creating a more natural, meta-like look. How to care for Linum Lewisii. The beauty of Linum Lewisii lies in its unfussy nature. Here are some key points to keep in mind for a thriving prairie flax. Sunlight. Linum Lewisii thrives in full sun, receiving at least 6 to 8 hours of direct sunlight daily. Soil. Well-drained soil is essential. Sandy or loamy soils are ideal, as the plant doesn't tolerate soggy conditions. Watering. Once established, Linum Lewisii is drought-tolerant. Water deeply during extended dry periods, but allow the soil to dry completely between waterings. Overwatering can lead to root rot. Fertilizer. This low-maintenance wildflower doesn't require heavy feeding. A light application of balanced fertilizer in early spring might suffice. How to propagate Linum Lewisii. Linum Lewisii is readily propagated through seeds. Here's a simple approach. Seed collection. Gather seeds after the flowers fade and the seed capsules start to brown. Allow them to dry completely before storing. Seeding. Sow seeds directly outdoors in the fall or early spring after the danger of frost has passed. Lightly press the seeds into the soil and keep them moist until germination. Alternatively, you can start seeds indoors 6 to 8 weeks before the last frost date and transplant seedlings outdoors once established. What to plant with Linum Lewisii. Linum Lewisii's delicate charm complements various garden companions. Here are some ideas. Grasses. Ornamental grasses like feather reed grass, Calamagrostis acutiflora, or blue grama grass, Bouteloua gracilis, create a textural contrast and enhance the prairie aesthetic. Other wildflowers, yarrow, Achillea millefolium, blanket flower, Gaillardia grandiflora, and black-eyed Susan, Rudbeckia hirta, create a vibrant wildflower meadow. Low-growing perennials, lavender, Lavandula angustifolia, or catmint, Nepeta ex fascini, add pops of color and introduce a fragrant element. Additional tips for Linum Lewisii. Deadheading. Regularly remove spent flowers to encourage continuous blooming throughout the season. You can also deadhead to prevent unwanted self-seeding if you prefer. Cutting back. After flowering, cutting back the top half of the plant can encourage bushier growth and potentially a second flush of blooms. Pests and diseases. Linum Lewisii generally isn't prone to serious pest or disease problems. However, keep an eye out for slugs, snails, and aphids, which can be controlled with organic methods like insecticidal soap or neem oil. Conclusion. Linum Lewisii is a delightful addition to any garden, offering a touch of wildflower charm with minimal effort. Its easygoing nature and stunning blooms make it a perfect choice for busy gardeners or those new to the world of wildflowers. With a little care, this captivating wildflower will reward you with a season of beauty and effortless elegance. So, are you ready to add Linum Lewisii to your garden haven? With its simple care requirements and enchanting beauty, it's sure to become a treasured resident in your sunny space.